Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. We're here sa McDonald's in Eaton Centris at kanina nga na-introduce the CIMB, yung digital bank na they have now a QR payment system using the CIMB app. Ayan, hindi ako naka-login. At maganda dito, no, if you're going to use the CIMB Pay QR payment nila sa app, sa McDonald's, kasi we are here in McDonald's, for a minimum of 200 pesos na purchase, you get a 30 pesos shop back. Yun ang maganda doon, no? Parang bumili ka na, sinuklian ka pa ng 30 pesos pag nakaka 200 ka na payment sa McDonald's, no? So, agawin nyo, pupunta ka sa terminal, yung self-ordering machine nila, yung may screen, alis kung makalagpas kayong 200, you are qualified to get the 30 pesos shop back. So we are here, na-introduce sa atin CIMB, yung kanilang CIMB Pay, the QR coding, at also si McDonald's, lahat ng McDonald's branches are accepting the CIMB Pay with shop back. Nalaman ko, hanggang December, end of December lang yung promo na ito. Kaya since mahilig kami McDonald's at gusto ko na shop back, kung maka 200 pesos ako per month, meron akong 30 pesos na makukuha. At pag umabot ako ng December, that's 246, 60, tama ba? 600 in 3 months. Meron akong 30 pesos each yung tatlong buwan. Meron akong 90 pesos na makukuha. So, muna tayo sa kiosk, ordering kiosk, mag-order tayo. Try natin yung CIMB Pay nila. Alright? May pera tayo dito sa CIMB. Ginagamit ko ito in transferring funds. Pag-iipon ko lang dito. Kaya saktong-sakto, mahilig kami sa McDonald's. So, eto na. Tapos na yung event. It's time to do the testing. Alright, let's do this. So, I got information. You can use the shop back 3 times per month. So, for example, nag-order ako dito ng 200, I get 30 pesos. And on the same day, sa second branch, naka 30 pesos yung shop back. Third branch, 30 pesos shop back. So, 3 beses lang per month. Kung ginawa nyo siya in one day, the other day, hindi na siya gagana. So, ganun pala siya. So, let's try the app. Ito yan. So, okay, try natin yung yung CIMB, but first let's order. Start tayo na order, take out natin, and let's order some burgers. So burger tayo. So let's do cheeseburger. No, a la carte muna. So kailangan yan, 264, okay na to, no? Para makuha natin yung cashback na 30 pesos. Kailangan kasi 200 pesos yung total. So, proceed to check out na tayo, not today. Complete order na tayo. So, pay here, cashless tayo, no? And click natin yung QRPH at ito na, we're going to use the CIMB app. Ito, no? So, alam bang pagpapay dito? Ito ba? Yan. Ito, no? Ayun, na-click na kaagad. So, 264, pay na natin, confirm. And then, boom! Confirm, cashback 30 pesos from McDonald's. Alright. Screenshot natin. Ayun. Okay na yun, no? Order number 92. Thank you. Pipick up na lang natin to, no? Alright. Legit 30 pesos cashback. Thank you kay Grimace for the awesome order natin kanina. Alright, thank you. Become you.
Number nito, sir?
692. 92. Ito na siya.
Thank you.
Thank you. May ketchup na to. Pagin naman ang ketchup. 3. Thank you. Alright, we got our burgers. So, sobrang okay yung CIMB na app. 262, so I get 30 pesos cashback. So, yung cashback thingy, 3 times a month lang pala siya magagamit. So hindi nyo pwedeng abusuhin yung mga freebies from CIMB. So it's very effective, no? Ang bilis niya using the app, yung scanning, and also getting the cashback like this. Yun, nakalagay dyan, no? Panalo, sobrang panalo. I'll be using CIMB for now, purchasing stuff from McDonald's. Yung nga lang, 3 times a day, but it's good. I can get 90 pesos per month. Alright, so yun. That's the end of our video. At si Grimace ay nandun pa, umu-order ng kanyang food. At kita-kits tayo sa next video vlog adventure. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you CIMB at thank you McDonald's. So, yeah.